Hi guys, it's Gabby and welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with a video just showing you all of the new releases that we have coming out this week. So it's Friday today and it'll be up Friday night my time, so I might pop all of the time conversions down below so you can see when we have our new releases, but I just thought I'd go through quickly and show you. We've got our December monthly kit and then 2 new weekly kits. So I'll just put everything aside and we can go through one by one. So our first new release is our December monthly kit, and as always it comes in an Erin Condren size and then a kind of personal TN size as well. So I'll just go through the Erin Condren size first. So for December I went for quite a neutral colour palette. I used a photo kit for this one because obviously there are lots of celebrations in December, but not everyone celebrates everything, so I thought if I went with a really pretty neutral colour palette with like some beautiful gold splashes, it could be used for really nice celebrations. You could add lots of gold foil to it, or you could just use it as a nice neutral spread. So you've got your top December banner, and then this bit covers the days that aren't in the month. This one also covers the days that aren't in the month, and then you've just got 2 full boxes. Then you have the other side of the date cover, and you've got 2018 and then all of your weekdays there with the gold foil. Then you have some washi strips, some asterisks, some hearts, arrows, flags, some kind of appointment quarter boxes, your date covers, and then lots of little icons. And then finally you have all of your sidebar stickers and then all of the sidebar headers. You've got a rescheduled and cancelled sticker, more appointment labels, quarter boxes, lots of bill dues, and some paydays. So that is the Erin Condren size kit. And then the personal TN size kit is like this, so it's the same style. You've got your washi strips down the side here with the cotton. I just love these cotton flowers and plants, I think they're so pretty. And then you've got your December 2018 top banner. Then you have your day covers, then lots of different sized full boxes. Depending on what type of inserts you use, you could use them to cover the days that aren't in the month or just as more decoration. You've got your date covers, then a long sidebar sticker. You have your paydays, bill dues, lots of icons, then these small kind of half boxes and quarter boxes, flags, arrows, and some dots. So lots of different stickers that you can use for any size insert really. So that is the December monthly kit that is now out, or will be at 7 o'clock tonight Perth time. I'm not sure when I'll be publishing this video. And then the first weekly kit that we have is our New Year's kit. So this is an exclusive kit. We designed it ourselves, so I'll just go through and show you. I really love the colours. It's kind of got that black and gold feel, but added like this pop of really bright fuchsia pink and then a light pink colour and some really cool abstract patterns. So this is the first page of the functional kit. So you've got your heart checklists, your sidebar, weekly box, some appointment labels, some sidebar headers, habit trackers, sticky note stickers, drawing pins, teardrops, hearts, flags, icons, all that kind of good stuff. And then the second page of the functional kit, instead of a weekend banner, I've popped a Happy New Year banner down. You've got your to-do and today headers, your faux gold foil headers, some more appointment labels, 2 bill dues, and then lots of drawn icons. And then you have the gorgeous full boxes. So we've called it the New Year's Eve kit, but it hasn't really got anything that specific to New Year's, so you could really use it for any type of celebration, a girls' night, a party, anything really. So you've got a really pretty star pattern, and then the girl with this dress with the stars as well. And then you have 2, you've got this floral, which is the Protea, which I'm obsessed with this flower at the moment. So you've got that one there, and then like a little flat lay, some white chocolate strawberries, champagne, another little flat lay of like getting ready and going out, and then these 2 girls getting ready to go out as well. And then you've got some block colour headers down the bottom. Then you have your to-do boxes and another sidebar, weekly sticker, and then your appointment labels. You've got some quarter boxes and your half boxes, and then some little things. You've got your bottom washi and washi strips, which I really love these patterns. I think they're really cool, just like paint swashes that we've done. And then lastly, you've got your 2 date covers, the numbers, and then lots of deco. And I'm not sure if you can see if it's going to focus. But I love this little piece of deco with the cat and the handbag. I just think that is so cute. And then it comes in the mini size kit. So you've got your side strips of washi, heart checklists, icons, habit tracker, half boxes, then your 4 half full boxes, little things, all of your icons, and then just other little functional stickers. So that is the personal size. And then the other weekly kit that we have coming out is called Urban Jungle, and this is another exclusive kit. It was kind of inspired by, you know, having lots of plants in your house and, you know, trying to basically look after if you have lots of plants in your house or just really like the look of them. Yeah, I just really love how it turned out with like this mustard and terracotta colours as well. I think are really nice. So again, you've got your checklists and then your sidebar weekly tracker, and then all of the same things as I went through before in the other kit. And then your second sheet again is the same with more of your functional icons and headers and your 2 weekend banners. And then this is the full boxes. So as you can see, you have like a little outdoor patio setting, some like spades and forks, lots of different plants. And then this one I love, it's like a book and that just says how not to kill your house plants, which yeah, I think that's kind of funny, and I really need a book like that. And then you've got your block color headers, and then you have your to-do boxes, your weekly sidebar, and then some more appointment labels. You have your half boxes, quarter boxes, and little things. You have your bottom washi with just the leaves coming through, and then your washi strips. And then you have your deco and date covers. And then of course it comes in the mini kit or the personal size. So you have your side washi, your 4 full half boxes, and all of the other functional stickers that come with the mini kits. So those are the new releases for this week. I hope you guys really like them. I love how both of them turned out. So let me know what you think and which ones you'll be picking up. And until my next video, I'll talk to you then. Bye.